More money out of taxpayers' pockets. For the past 3 years, the governor has been tied up in a federal lawsuit over tribal gaming compacts. But how much of your money has been spent defending our governor? News 4's Capitol Bureau Chief Kaylee Olivas is following the money.
It's over $500,000 in wasted taxpayer dollars. And in our government, we have checks and balances to prevent tyranny and absolute power, which Governor Stitt seems to believe that he has.
Frustration and questions of why pouring through the Capitol halls as the governor's legal counsel spending is revealed. Governor Stitt is being sued by 4 of Oklahoma's largest tribes for taking a, quote, illegal route and having compacts deemed approved.
And instead of fighting the tribes, the governor ought to be learning from them.
And the governor has turned to 2 out-of-state law firms, one in Washington, D.C., and another in Georgia, and a private metro firm for help, costing the state a pretty penny. Let's break it down. Sullivan and Cromwell received $394,900. Troutman Pepper Hamilton Sanders was paid $17,311.50. And Ryan Whaley Cold Iron Jansen Peters got $184,013.
You're the first person that's given me the definitive number on it. This is just that one case. There's been multiple cases in the post-McGirt world, so it is well in excess of $1 million, I'm sure.
We emailed the governor's office asking about the money. A direct response on the dollar amount wasn't given, but a spokesperson says it was necessary for the governor's office to retain a lawyer that was licensed to practice in Washington, D.C., since that's where the case will be argued. We also asked about where the money was pulled from. No response. State Office of Management and Enterprise Services records reveals at least one of these law firms was paid out of the Tribal Gaming Compliance Fund in 2020. But a reason for payment isn't listed.
They're not there for the governor to use as a piggy bank to go attack tribes.
But the Attorney General's office says they're not aware of any legislative approval to support the spending of those funds for this particular purpose. Now that lawmakers are in the loop, though,
we may have LOFT look into this, the group that I set up a few years ago with the Speaker, the Legislative Office of Fiscal Transparency, but we're still in our early stages of looking at that.
The Attorney General's office tells us it's a matter of interest and concern that the Attorney General intends to explore further.